Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Bonsai Crazy. I've got a little treat for you today. We need to put some wire on the rhino pot. So I'm going to move everything out of the way and we're going to take the petals off of the tree and stick some wire on the rhino pot and see what's going on with it. So let's crack on with it. So when you're pulling the petals off, make sure you go in the same direction as the petals are growing, because if you don't, you might damage the nodes. So just make sure that you always go in the direction of the needles.
If you ride with me, don't gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the love. In the name of 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 love.
Alright guys, so we've got all the petals off. Now it's time to put some wire around it and try and get this one in the position that I want. I might do some cutting as well, but I think I want it to come this way first and then back that way like that. So it's only actually 2 branches that I want to wire, for now anyway, so it's the lower 2. So I'm going to try and get these bent in the position that I want, bearing in mind that this end here is going to be snipped off next year, and that one there is going to become the leader. So we're going to bend it now. There we go, there's a nice rough start for that. Kind of like that bending there. That's kind of nice. So I'm going to leave that one as it is. I'm going to bend that second one over. So right guys, just going to give you a little look at it, just to show you what's going on with it. Don't know whether you can focus in there. There you go. So we've got this branch that comes towards us and then back and then dips down, and that is going to elongate next year, and I want that all the way down there, both of those branches all the way down there. Then these couple of branches here, these few branches should come out and make another couple of pads, 2 or 3 pads, possibly even this one. And then we've got a back branch here that's coming up, and we'll probably chop this here somewhere and make that the leader this year, or one of these the leader this year. So it's all going really, really well. Let's have a quick look underneath and have a quick look at the soil. So it's all looking quite well. It's all looking good. There are some exposed roots, but I really don't mind that. So far it's going really, really well, and I've had no problems with it, and yeah, it's looking good. So I'm quite chuffed with it. Got to get through this year, or this winter. Once we're through this winter, then I'm going to take it out, take all the soil away and have a real good look at it, and see what's happening, you know, check everything's still all right and nothing's broken on the sculpture, and we'll go from there. You know, it's gonna be good next year, because I can't wait to have a look at the roots and see what's going on. So there you go guys, that's the rhino pot done. I'm loving the way it's looking, and it's going really well at the moment, so fingers crossed for it. Like I say, next year we're going to have a proper look at these roots, see what's going on, see if there's any insects in there or anything like that, give it a good clear out, then put most of it back and see what we want to do with it next year. So as ever, hit that like button, please subscribe if you haven't already, and follow my craziness throughout the years. I'll see you next time guys. Ta-da.